In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could reset your keyboard if it's not working here on a Windows PC or Windows laptop. This is going to work for both Windows 10 and 11, and if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, we're going to check a setting that might be disabling your keyboard, so hit the start button right here and go to your settings. From here, look on this left hand sidebar and find accessibility and open that up. Once you're in accessibility, look specifically, and you might have to scroll down a little bit for this, but essentially find keyboard and then find filter keys. And if it's turned on, go ahead and turn it off. It's also a pretty good idea to select this and disable the shortcut as well so you don't accidentally enable it. But if your keyboard still isn't working after doing that, you're going to want to back out of your settings, select the Windows icon again, but this time right click it, and then go ahead and find device manager on here. Select this and then go ahead and find keyboards on here. Open this up, find your keyboard device, right click on it, hit update driver, and hit search automatically for drivers. And if there's a driver, go ahead and install it just like so. If you're still having issues, find your keyboard on here, right click on it and hit uninstall device, confirm, and then after doing that, go ahead and hit the Windows key again. Hit the little power icon and hit restart and restart your computer or laptop. When Windows does start again, it's going to automatically reinstall the keyboard driver. And it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video though and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.